go down there, so for the hook, so if you go.
Yeah, man, it's all, no, them are go down, go down Panting the street, straight down. It's all about Davis funeral home, you know. You're going to some lovely shots now, see it there? No, man, remember, down, I go him, I go down, read it. Yeah, man, see there?
You said that in front time, then.
Yeah, man, see the Davis funeral home, see there? Yeah.
In time, I saw them drive, I passed them.
Yeah, man, see there, we are shot it. When you a circle where they're on Maraska Road. Right? Yeah, man. It's all about my schoolmate.
Yeah, the same figure now.
Yeah, Glenford. Yeah, man, all about my schoolmate, Glenford. So you can see the Eros Park, see the National Eros Park there.
One hour drive, Mr. Davis.
Take the car, take the lead.
No, 1 hour drive.
You might go down for East Street thing there, yeah. See that is all about, yeah.
So him not come?
Yeah, go and leave him, man. I say you're going to read it. Yeah, yeah. So we are going to meet them down and line up down, sir.
Come, man, come.
Yeah, come. It's all about Davis. Yeah, him stop? Yeah.
Come now, man, come now, come.
Yeah, I'm going. Yeah, now I'm line up, leave them read it. I line them a line up.
The whole of them never find.
Yeah, man, see that? So the road, this is the Ministry of Education over there, sir. You know, we are showing the National Eros Park. National Eros Park, where they find and move through, see there? It's all about today. You know, Toots, you know what's today, Toots Berito? You know, man, Toots. Funeral over National Eros Park.
No drivers like them, man. You see
Yeah, man.
You see
See
the
that?
faster in front, like
Yeah.
faster me follow, you know?
Yeah, Toots, go down. Yeah. It's all about everything. So we are going in a full style, full view.
You see from the faster in front of me.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, man, see that? It's all about Davis funeral home today. I do good thing. So I want the people to tune in to Davis funeral home. Yeah, man, because we give a quality service, alright? And take good care.